Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This channel is to help you bridge the gap that you may have in your math knowledge. Today we're going to learn how to multiply and divide integers. Integers that are negative and positive. First, when you multiply two integers, that's what we're going to cover. When you multiply two integers, a positive integer times another positive integer, it gives you a positive number. So a positive times a positive is always going to give you a positive. Example, let's say you have positive 3 times positive 2. Because both numbers are positive, your answer will be a positive number. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 is positive because both numbers are positive. Let's say we multiply a negative integer and a positive integer. A negative integer times a positive integer is always a negative answer. So your answer is always negative. Even if you had it backward, if you had a positive times a negative, it's still going to be a negative. Whenever one of the sign is negative, your answer is always going to be negative when you multiply integers. Let's look at an example. We multiply negative 8 times 2. So because 8 is negative and 2 is positive, your answer has to be negative. So 8 times 2 is 16. Because one of the numbers is negative, your answer is automatically negative. Now, let's look at the second example. 5 times negative 3. As you can see, now the first number is positive and the second number is negative. Because one of them is negative, your answer will be negative. So whenever one of the number that you're multiplying by is negative, your answer has to be negative. In this case, 5 times 3 is 15. Because one of the number is negative, your answer is automatically negative. Now we're multiplying two negative integers. So a negative integer times another negative integer, the answer is positive. And or both signs are negative, your answer will automatically be positive. Let's look at an example. Negative 3 times negative 4. Because both signs are negative, your answer will be positive. So 3 times 4 is 12. And because both signs are negative, your answer is positive 12. Now we move on into division. When you're dividing two positive integers, a positive integer divided by another positive integer, your answer is positive. So example, 9 divided by 3, answer is 3. Because both signs are positive, your answer is positive. So therefore 3 is positive. Now we're dividing a negative and a positive integer. Whenever one of the number is negative, your answer will be negative. This is the same as the multiplication rule. So negative divided by positive is negative. Example, negative 9 divided by 3. Because 9 is negative, or because one of the number is negative, your answer will be negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And it's negative because one of the number is negative. Let's look at another example. Now, instead of the first number being negative, the second number is negative. It doesn't make a difference which number is negative. As long as one of them is negative, your answer will be negative. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. And because one of the number is negative, your answer is negative. Now let's see what happens when you're dividing two negative integers. A negative number divided by another negative number is positive. Same as the multiplication rule. A negative and negative gives you a positive. Example, negative 10 divided by negative 2. Because both numbers are negative, your answer will be positive. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and this is positive 5. Let's look at another example. Negative 12 divided by negative 3. A negative and negative turn into a positive. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Alright guys, this is all you need to know about multiplying in integers and dividing integers. And hopefully this video was helpful to you. And you can go ahead and check the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell to get notification whenever I post a new video. And like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.